Ben Stiller is set to play Jack Torrance in Stephen King's The Shining.
I wish Jack was here
to
talk about it. He's a big Shining fan. What do you think about this? Like a reboot and with Ben Stiller.
A reboot and with Ben Stiller. Is it old enough to be rebooted? I guess.
I disagree. I think the first Shining was amazing.
Yeah, I know, but like, there's obviously a new generation of people who have no clue about it and aren't going to go watch it.
Yeah,
because I just said I'm 36 years old.
Mm-hmm. Did you watch the
documentary about it?
No, the sequel to The Shining.
No,
it's very modern. I think it came out like a couple of years ago.
Oh,
with Ewan McGregor,
and it was actually good.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
It was a sequel.
Come on. Come on. Oh, you're going deep on this. Don't you just have to write Ewan McGregor The Shining? Wouldn't that do the trick for you? No. This guy works a lot, man. Look at this. He's out there. He's Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Consistently working.
He's working out there, man.
Dr. Sleep.
Dr. Sleep.
He plays
Danny Torrance, which is the kid.
The kid, yes. Very well done.
Give us a rating. Give us a Rotten Tomatoes. I'm skeptical of you here, Will.
No, I don't trust Rotten.
Give me a routine tomatoes.
What's the movie called again?
You just said it.
Dr. Sleep.
You just said it. You watched it. You loved it.
I know. I keep forgetting the title.
78. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's higher than I expected it. I thought people were going to be
It's very good.
protective of The Shining, and they wouldn't let anybody make anything about it or close to it. And
well, this one's a sequel, so.
Well, this is the tough part, man. Is it like you touch on anything that people have a really strong relationship with, and you have to just knock it. Like, it has to be so good for people to give it a fair shake, because they are so specific about how they want things to be, and they're such fans, and you can't blame them. It just, the things people love mean a lot to them.
Yes.
And so you hope they take the job. I mean, I'm sure they will take the job very seriously. So when will this get made?
It's not in production yet, I believe.
Ivo Van Hove is set to direct the stage adaptation, which is said to be much closer to the Stephen King work, meaning it might be more of a faithful adaptation than what Garris managed in his go. Hard to imagine a more faithful adaptation, but it is possible. Huh. So wait a second. This is a remake. This is just a straight up remake.
Wait, this is a stage adaptation.
This is not a movie.
A play.
This is a play.
It's a play.
Maybe.
Sorry, I got this wrong because it's Ben Stiller. Like, he plays movies.
Maybe if it's a big success, it can turn into a movie.
Yeah.
But definitely this headline is more compelling as a movie.
Yeah.
As opposed to a play. I don't know the last time you saw a play, but plays can be cool, man. But
this is actually a good picture.
What is it? A Photoshop?
I think this might actually be him.
But
typing
then,
away
from what movie?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, good luck.
Good luck.